Hi, my name is Robert Schultz, and this is Natural Disasters. This is an earth science course that investigates a variety of natural disasters and our subsequent preparedness as a society. The course grade is kept in Infinite Campus, but most of our materials will be found in Schoology. In our headquarters, we find my contact information and most of our policies. Students have already taken a quiz on our safety contract and safety video. We also have a retake policy as well as a link to our electronic textbook. Students are not issued a physical copy of the textbook. We have a class set. Each week, I'll show the students my lesson plan for the week. When we finish the week, it'll be kept in our Marking Period 1 folder. Here are the 4 chapters that we intend to cover in the first marking period. And as we finish assignments, they are housed in the Marking Period 1 assignments. I typically keep upcoming assignments out and available for students. Please feel free to look over the syllabus and contact me if you have any further questions. Thank you very much.